Hello my friends, my name is John and I wanted to share the update on my raspberries. These are the ones that I'm experimenting with. I planted them into these clay chimney stacks and I'm literally watching them grow, and seems like they're doing pretty good. The color is good, you know, the vigor is really good. The new growth is I'd say very average, and the leaf color is good. I have several different varieties just to see how they grow, and they're all doing really good. You've been these ones right here, we grew out last year, and all the shoots already forming, you know, buds on it right here. All the flower buds, the flowers on it are pretty much at the stage of being open here in the next couple of days. They're growing good. And actually, look right here. This is very, very vigorous right here. This is a brand new shoot that's coming out of the ground, and it's just nice, thick, full of energy. I think this is gonna work. Before, I used to have just nothing but weeds, just a thick layer of all sorts of weeds and grass that you just can't get it out of the roots, because, you know, naturally the raspberries grow pretty thick together. And what happened was, first of all the weeds were just seeding out everywhere, you know, with the wind and the birds, and they get up in their roots into the centers of all the trees and shrubs, and just constantly fighting weeds. But the actual raspberries were traveling whatever, you know, the mother plant was growing in the row, but the new shoots, since they're attached to the same root, they were traveling who knows where and popping out from all the holes where my, you know, grapes grow, all the raspberry, or I mean the strawberry holes in the fabric. They're just popping up everywhere. They were getting, you know, energy from the mother plant, so they were just climbing under the material and just climbing out everywhere else but the row. So I decided to do this, and I'd say it's worth a try. Feeling pretty good about it. The first year wasn't so good. I put a lot of organic material in there because essentially it's like a pot. So to get the initial start, maybe it was too much, you know, organic material to begin with, but now they're really looking luscious and green. So I would say this is a very healthy growth right here. This is all brand new from this year. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. This is something I planted this year, different variety. Yeah, the growth is just really good. I'm really happy. And here's some new plants here. Some sort of a blackberry. I got the bags there for the names. I'll have to make tags for them, but I'm trying out to see if other varieties make a difference. But yeah, whatever was here, it's doing really good. The growth is just, I'd say, really good. So don't be afraid trying things out. All the flowers. And the growth is amazing. Very nice. So I'll keep updating you and see how that goes. But other than that, I'm happy. And more power to you if you try to experiment and come up with something. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next video. My name is John. Happy growing.